I was born and raised in the South Wales valleys. I grew up exploring the hills and the mountains, just looking for animals, looking for wildlife. So, to end up in the middle of the Amazon jungle, like stuff like this doesn't happen to me. This is literally the best thing ever. I never in a million years ever expected anything like this to happen. Not once did I ever think that my love for insect photography would send me across the world. Everything changed when we flew over and we could see like the Amazon. And to be quite honest, it was overwhelming. I didn't think it'd have that like emotional effect on me. Squirrel monkeys, I love them. I'm just really, really grateful that I can just be here doing the thing I love the most in a beautiful setting with amazing wildlife and amazing insects. Olympus did it. They did this. They saw something in me that I didn't even see. They made this happen. I can't believe it. I'd be grateful for this forever.